DoorDash requires identity verification to ensure platform safety and prevent fraud. This process protects both drivers and customers by maintaining security standards and meeting legal requirements. The verification process requires three main components. First, you must provide a government-issued photo ID, such as a driver's license, passport, or state identification card. Second, you must take a live selfie photograph. This real-time photo is used for facial recognition to match against your government ID. Third, you must complete a background check, which screens your criminal history to ensure you meet DoorDash's safety standards. Several common issues can cause verification failures. Poor image quality from blurry, dark, or pixelated photos is the most frequent problem. Lighting issues like shadows, glare, or insufficient light also cause failures. Document positioning problems occur when photos are cropped, tilted, or have obstructed text. Facial recognition mismatches between your ID photo and selfie, as well as technical glitches during upload, can also cause verification failures. DoorDash has recently enhanced its verification system. Late 2024 updates include improved biometric verification, real-time feedback for photo quality issues, and advanced AI-powered document scanning technology for faster, more accurate processing. Understanding these verification requirements and common failure points is essential for successfully becoming a DoorDash driver. The enhanced system provides better guidance to help applicants complete verification on their first attempt. Successful identity verification starts with proper document preparation. Following these best practices will significantly increase your chances of approval on the first attempt. First, always use original, unexpired documents. Remove your ID from wallets or protective covers, as these can create glare or obstruct important text that the system needs to read. Lighting is crucial for successful verification. Use natural daylight whenever possible, or bright, even artificial lighting. Position your document on a solid, contrasting background, and keep your camera parallel to the document's surface. Your selfie photo is equally important for verification success. The system compares your live photo with your ID, so consistency and quality are essential. Face the camera directly with a neutral expression. Remove sunglasses, hats, or any face coverings. Your face should fill 60 to 70% of the frame for optimal recognition. If you encounter technical issues during verification, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to resolve common problems. Start with basic app troubleshooting. Force close and restart the DoorDash app. Clear the app cache and data, then update to the latest app version. Sometimes switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data can resolve upload issues. If app-based solutions don't work, try alternative approaches. Upload your documents through the DoorDash website instead of the mobile app, or contact customer support directly for assistance with persistent verification issues. Following these best practices and troubleshooting steps will significantly improve your verification success rate. Remember that proper preparation and patience are key to a smooth verification process.